After staying the night in Israel, it's starting to feel real. Today we're headed north, to the hometown of Jesus. I can't believe I'm saying that. I was moved to tears as I stood on Mount Precipice, looking at the Jezreel Valley where so many battles in the Old Testament were fought. In the distance, I can see Mount Tabor, where the Israelites won a major battle recorded in Judges chapter 4 and 5, and where the transfiguration of Jesus took place. What's so striking to me, as well as the beauty of the scenery, is the reality that this landscape remains unchanged by time. While so many places in Israel have changed over 4,000 years, the horizon line hasn't. The valley is still a valley. The mountains are still mountains. The scene before me is one that Jesus himself probably saw during his childhood here.
Before continuing north, we're stopping here at Alfei Menashe, at what's called the narrow waistline of Israel. This means that the land between the Mediterranean and the edge of the West Bank, where we're standing right now, is only 9 miles wide. The West Bank was under Jordanian control from 1948 until 1967. After the Oslo Accords, the West Bank was divided into 3 areas: A, B, and C. Area A is under Palestinian control, Area B is under shared control, and Area C is under Israeli control. The complicated nature of the West Bank control makes negotiations between Israel and the Palestinian Authority very difficult. Additionally, the history of the Gaza Strip impacts on the one-state versus two-state possible outcomes or solutions. We'll get to that in a few days. Take a look around and then, yalla, let's go. Next, we're going to Nazareth, the hometown of Jesus. And our first stop here is the Church of the Annunciation. It's the largest church or cathedral in the Middle East, and is the traditional Catholic site where the house of the parents of the Virgin Mary stood, and where the angel Gabriel met her. According to Christian doctrine, the angel announced that she would conceive and give birth to the Messiah. This event is called the Annunciation. The church has been built and rebuilt several times since it was first established in the early 4th century. Next, we're going to Mount Precipice, the traditional mountain or cliff where Jesus was almost thrown over, after announcing himself as the Messiah in Luke chapter 4.